Welcome to the Lemoore College Library and Learning Resource Center. This video tutorial will show you how to access our databases on your personal device. Navigate to the Lemoore College website at lemoorecollege.edu and click on the My West Hills link in the top right corner. Click on the Lemoore College student login. You will be prompted to enter your Lemoore College username and password. Once you are logged into the student portal, scroll down to the featured student resources and click on the Research Databases icon. By logging into the databases through the portal, you will be granted access on your device. Lemoore College subscribes to approximately 20 different databases that provide access to different types of media, including ebooks, academic journal articles, newspaper collections, videos, online encyclopedias, and more. While we all know and use Google, it is a tool designed to find resources on the surface web, not a tool to find resources for academic use. College databases are preferred for academic use because they offer vetted resources by academics in their field and cater to the academic community. Questions? Contact us in person at the 400 building on the Lemoore campus. Chat with us online through the Ask Us button on our website. Call us at 559-925-3420 or email us at ask@westhillscollege.lebansers.com.